Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about changing your YouTube channel name. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into YouTube and access YouTube Studio. And you want to select customization on the left side. Now on the right side, you want to go and scroll down underneath where it says name. You go and click on the little pencil icon to go edit your channel name. And then you would need to proceed if you had a verification badge in order to modify the name. So I'm not going to actually do that in my case because I do have a verification badge on that. You can also change your YouTube channel handle here as well, which will uniquely identify your channel name by either having certain letters or numbers in here. You can change your handle back within 14 days. So if you decided you wanted to go back to your old handle, you could. And handles themselves can be changed twice every 14 days. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.